Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to control and move your Jetson electrical bike. Now the first thing you have to do is turn it on. Look to your left and press a button. Now when you look to your right, you'll see battery level. Make sure to conserve it. When you're ready, hop on your bike and balance yourself first. Then you could go for a ride. Now for the next feature, you could turn on the lights on the front of your bike. You'll have to press the button under the battery level for 4 seconds. Now, when you look to the front of your bike, a light will be showing. To turn it off, you'll have to do the same thing. Press it for 4 seconds and look to the front of your bike. You'll see the lights off. I'll also recommend to pedal your bike first. But anyways guys, see ya in my next video.